Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer branding to Squarespace brand assets, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you wish to edit. In the left sidebar, click on Design. Next, select Logo and Title from the drop-down menu. Here, you can upload your logo by clicking the Upload button. Choose your logo file from your computer and click Open. After the upload, ensure your logo displays correctly in the preview. Scroll down to find the site title section. Enter your brand's name in the site title field. Adjust the font style and size to match your branding by exploring the options provided. Proceed to the Colors section in the left sidebar. Select the Color Palette option to customize your brand colors. Click on each color box to change the primary, secondary, and accent colors to match your branding. Make sure to save your changes periodically to avoid losing any edits. Now, return to the Design section. Select Site Styles to customize the overall look of your site. Here, you can choose the layout, spacing, and font options to reflect your brand's identity. Preview your changes by clicking on the eye icon in the upper right corner. Once satisfied with the updates, click Save to make everything live. Finally, review your website to ensure that all branding elements are cohesive and properly displayed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.